Priyanka. Today we will learn about formatting text in MS Word. Let's begin. So we will begin by learning selecting text using keyboard. So let's say this is the sample Word document that I created. And now students, you already know that how you can use your mouse cursor and your mouse button to select any text in the Word document. For example, this is my cursor, and if I place my cursor here and then press the left button of my mouse and then drag the cursor, then it will select your Word document, the text present on your Word document. You can drag it to as many lines as you want and then select the text. So this is one way of selecting the text, where you use mouse cursor and your left button of your mouse and then drag the cursor to select the text. Now today we will learn how you can use the selection bar to select text. Now first of all, let's see what is a selection bar. So selection bar is basically the space between the left edge of your page and the text. This space, the left edge of your page and the text, the space between this is the selection bar. Now let's see how you can use selection bar to select each of these. For example, if you want to select a word, just double click that word. For example, if I want to select video, I will just double click this word and the word will be selected. If I want to select this word keyboard, I will place my cursor here and then double click, the keyboard word will be selected. Now next, to select a line, you need to click the selection bar to the left of the line. For example, now if I want to select this first line, video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. This is my first line when you click. And if I want to select this first line, I will just click to the left of this text in the selection bar and the entire first line is selected. In the same way, if I just click here, my third line will be selected. If I click here, this line will be selected. So this is how you can use the selection bar to select a line. Now to select multiple lines. So to select multiple lines, what you need to do is just click on the selection bar and then drag your mouse pointer. So in this way you can select multiple lines. Just click the selection bar and then drag the selection bar. Drag your mouse pointer in the selection bar and the multiple lines will be selected. Now let's see, to select a paragraph, double click the selection bar. Now if I just double click the selection bar, the entire paragraph will be selected. Or what you can do is you can triple click anywhere in the paragraph. If I just triple click anywhere in the paragraph, the entire paragraph is selected. So you can either double click the selection bar or triple click anywhere in the paragraph. Now to select a sentence, you need to press and hold the control key and then click anywhere in the sentence. So all of you know the control key on your keyboard. So just press and hold the control key and click anywhere in the sentence, the entire sentence is selected. Students, there is a difference between a sentence and line. When you just click on the selection bar, the entire line is selected, the first line. But when you hold and press your control key and then click anywhere in the sentence, the entire sentence will be selected till the full stop. The sentence begins at when and it ends at add. So this is how you can select a sentence. Now to select the entire document, just triple click the selection bar. So now this is my selection bar. If I triple click here, entire document will be selected. So this is how you can use the selection bar to select a word, a line, multiple lines of text, a paragraph, a sentence, and entire document. So now let's see how you can select text using a keyboard. For example, you don't have mouse with you or your mouse isn't working, so you can also use your keyboard to select text in your Word document. And let's see how you can do that. So first of all, if you have your cursor anywhere in the document and you wish to select one character at a time, one character to the left, so which key will you press? Just press the shift key and then press the left arrow key. This will select one character to the left of your cursor, in the left direction where your cursor currently is. So now I just press the shift key, press and hold the shift key and then press the left key, so it will select one character to the left side. Now if you wish to select one character to the right, again just press the shift key and press the right arrow key. This will press one character to the right of your cursor. So the left key will select one character to the left of your cursor and right key to the right of your cursor. Now if I press the left key, what will happen? It will deselect the characters to the left of my cursor. If I press and hold the shift key and press the left arrow key from my keyboard, it will deselect the characters to the left side of my cursor and then it will keep on selecting one character to the left of my cursor. Now one line up, if you wish to select one line up, then just press and hold the shift key and press the up arrow key. It will select one line up. In the same way, if you want to select one line down, then just press and hold the shift key and press the down arrow key. This will select one line down. So now you know how you can select one characters to the left side and the right side. So now similarly, if you want to select one word at a time, so for that we just press and hold the shift key, control key and end key all together. For example, let's say I have my cursor here before the word proof, and now I just press and hold the control, shift and end key. It will select one word at a time, the entire word. See, you can clearly see now it selects one word at a time. With each click, one word is selected. Now to select the entire document, we select Ctrl plus A keyboard shortcut. So now if I press Ctrl and A, the entire document will be selected. So this is how you can use the keyboard keys to select the text, or you can use the selection bar also to select your text, or you already know the third way. The third way is using your mouse cursor and your left button, left click of your mouse to select the text in your Word document. Next, let's learn inserting and overtyping text in MS Word. Text. Sometimes you may want to insert text between the existing text, or you may also want to overwrite or replace the old text with the new one in your Word document. So before inserting or overwriting the text, you should always check whether the insert or the overtype mode is selected on the status bar or not. So this bar, this blue color bar in the bottom is your status bar. So for example, you want to insert some text between the word powerful and the word way. So you will simply place your mouse cursor here, and you can either type. If you will type, so this is how you can insert the text. So no need of having the insert mode selected in your status bar, but for overtyping you need to select the overtype mode in the status bar. So first thing is clear that if you want to insert a new text between the already existing text, just place your cursor there and start typing. Now if you want to overtype or overwrite or replace the old text, you need to select whether the overtype mode is selected or not. So right now I can't see any overtype word written here in my status bar. So what will you do? You will just right click, bring your mouse pointer here and right click, and here you can see overtype. Just simply select this. So this insert mode, right now the insert mode is selected. So if you place your cursor here between this word online and for and type anything, the word will be inserted. It won't be overwrite or replace the old text. So now if you want to overtype, click on select it, the mode will change to overtype. And now if you place your cursor here between the word code and for and start typing anything, you will see it will replace the old text. See, I'm typing hello, so my old text is getting replaced by the new one. See, if I type hello, good morning, so I think you can easily make out that this is replacing the old text with the new one. So number one, to insert a new text, simply place your cursor where you want to insert the new text and start typing. Number two, to overtype the text, you need to go to your status bar and check whether the overtype mode is on or not, and if it's not on, just right click, select the overtype mode. If it says insert here, click on insert, it will change into overtype, and then place your cursor where you want to replace the text, from where you want to replace, and start typing. So this is how you can use overtype or insert option in your MS Word for inserting or overwriting the text. That's all for today's video. Happy learning! Thank you.